Brackets, dashes, and hyphens each have specific roles in writing and can add clarity or additional detail when used correctly. Brackets are used to include extra information in a sentence that isn't essential but helps provide additional details. They allow the writer to give further explanation or clarify something without disrupting the main flow of the sentence. For example, you might write, "The concert, which was sold out, was amazing." The information inside the brackets, "which was sold out," is extra, but not necessary for the sentence to make sense. Brackets can also be used to provide brief translations, dates, or explanations within a text, helping the reader understand without having to look for further details elsewhere. Dashes, on the other hand, have multiple uses and can be used in a more flexible way. One of their main uses is to emphasize a break or shift in thought within a sentence. For example, she was about to open the door when suddenly the phone rang. Here, the dash adds a dramatic pause, indicating a sudden change. Dashes can also be used to insert additional information into a sentence, much like brackets, but with a slightly different tone. For instance, "The book, which I hadn't expected to enjoy, turned out to be a page-turner," uses dashes to insert a side comment. Dashes can also separate parts of a sentence to clarify or give emphasis, especially in more informal writing. Hyphens are different from dashes, and their purpose is to link words together to form compound terms or to avoid confusion when two words are combined. For example, when you join words like well-known or mother-in-law, hyphens are needed to connect these terms and clarify their meaning. Hyphens are also used when writing out numbers like 21 or 34, ensuring the words are properly connected. Another example is when using prefixes such as ex or self, like in ex-president or self-esteem. Hyphens help prevent misreading or ambiguity in such cases. Together, these punctuation marks, brackets, dashes, and hyphens, each serve unique roles in shaping the clarity and tone of a sentence. Brackets add extra information, dashes allow for emphasis or interruption, and hyphens link words together for clearer meaning. Learning when and how to use them effectively can improve your writing by making it more precise and engaging.